Hi guys, this is Larissa with Be You Beautiful One. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here. Thank you for all the return visitors, subscribers to my channel. I appreciate you. I am setting up my scripture writing planner for the week of January the 18th through the 24th, and I'm using these beautiful printable kits from Print Pray Slay. I have already cut out the elements of this kit, and I'm just figuring out the placement for how I possibly would like to utilize the elements. This sticker kit is called Attributes of God, and it's a part of a series, and this particular collection is Wise. And so I will be utilizing some of the scriptures listed in this particular kit, but for this week, I really want to hone in on different attributes of God. And so I am on my right side of my page, I am going to utilize looking up different scriptures that not only talk about his wisdom, but also his other attributes that I feel are really important right now to remind us that God is sovereign. He's in control. He's all sufficient. He's all knowing. He's present. He is our strong tower. He's a shield all around us. He is our provider, our way maker. He is the person who venges on my behalf, who fends for me, who provides for me. And so, with everything that's going on in the world, I need a reminder. I need a refresher of who God is. So I thought that this was a perfect kit just for that. And so I'll be utilizing the right hand side of this dashboard layout the left hand side of the dashboard layout to write out the different attributes of God and some scriptures that go along with that. On the right hand side of the page, I'll be utilizing the daily scripture writing. And the scripture writing plan that I use will only cover Monday through Friday. So I like to use Saturday and Sunday to add decor. And so now I'm just simply going down and adding the different decorations. I decided to use this light blue cloud background of the Stardust washi tape that I got from Simply Gilded. I believe this is part of the holiday collection, but it really looks like clouds in the sky. And so I love that. And it has like the silver foil and hologram foil on the confetti and stars. So it's really pretty. And I wanted to make for sure I used my Stardust washi tape because I got a lot of it during the holiday. And I love this girl. She has on the blue dress and with the flower belt, and it's just really pretty and breathtaking. And I love that Kelly provides like 3 skin tones in this kit. So it's just a beautiful, beautiful kit. And the floral wreath I decide to put behind her on the left hand side, and then on the right hand side I love that wood board with the floral elements to it, and I decided to put some of the washi tape behind that as well, just to give it that sparkly effect that I do love. And I will probably write out a verse here, or maybe one of the characters or attributes of God that I would like to focus on this week once I study it. And then down below, I'm adding the second doll on this kit. It's the same doll, but just a smaller size. And I do want to use this particular focal scripture of the kit from Proverbs chapter 2, verse 6. It says, "For the Lord giveth wisdom, out of his mouth cometh knowledge and understanding." And so wisdom, understanding, and knowledge comes from God. Being able to read something and having a level of understanding, and being able to take what you read and gather knowledge about it, like it comes together in the wisdom and how to apply it and utilize what you're learning. That ability comes from God. Have you ever picked up something and you like, that's not my vibe, that's not my gift, that's not my forte, whatever. But God gives us the ability to open up his word and to be able to gain knowledge and understanding and wisdom. And so we have to continually ask for God to do just that for us, to open our hearts and mind and fill us up with his word. And so I love that scripture, because that's what we need to do, seek God, because we don't really know all the ins and all the out, but God has that big picture, and he can give us different perspectives and different unctions to deal with certain situations and so forth. So I decided to go ahead and use some more of this washi tape to create some different types of flags. And so I'm still honing in on this particular skill. I find that if I don't fold, what I do is I cut some of the washi tape, fold it in half, and then just cut a slice out of it to create the points of the flag. Or for this situation, I reverse the slice so that when I open it, it has just more of a flag. So I like that. So those are two different styles I'm going to play with. If this was like a piece of paper or it was longer, basically I would be cutting the points out of, it would be fit more like a puzzle together. I don't know how to articulate that without causing confusion, but I could have simply took my cut out and reverse it and created the other side of the flag if I wanted to, but the washi tape wasn't that long enough, and so really the parts that I cut off was truly just scraps. So, but I like the way that it turns out, because I really didn't want to apply any other stickers to this particular layout, and so I felt like cutting the flags out of the washi gave it a little bit of element of decor without me having to add a lot of stickers and so forth with it. So I really liked how that looks, and because of the color of the washi tape, to me it kept that area a little bit more light and airy, which I truly love. So I really like how this turned out. I hope you like it too. I'm going to go ahead and give you a closer view of this particular setup, the two pages together. I have ample room to write, which I truly like, and I just think it really turned out great. I'm very happy with this spread. As you guys know, I am part of the PR team for Print Pray Slay. I do have a referral link down below, as well as a code if you prefer codes, or if you just want to use the link. Please, I appreciate you in advance for using my code and my discount link. And thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. If you have not yet, I definitely welcome you to my channel. Don't forget to like and turn on the alarm bell so that whenever I go live or post new videos, you'll be notified. Thank you so much for joining me. Until the next time. Bye-bye.